So I shared to you about that in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God. So before anything was seen, there was a Word. Hello. And this Word became reality. It did not describe reality. The Word created reality. Because before, it was just a word. Hello? It was not yet a reality, but then the Word made it a reality. And so, you are not a mistake, like I shared to you. You are not an accident. You are not a product of chance. You are a product of purpose. Produkto ka sa katuyuan nga gusto sa Ginoo nga mahitabo sa imong kinabuhi. Pero but purpose must be activated by speech. Hello? Kaya ba na kasi mong purpose, kinahanglan ma-realize na by your word. You cannot become what you're afraid to declare. You have to understand that once you start to speak something about your purpose, you don't speak because you are now. You speak until you become what you are, what God wants you to be. In other words, you don't speak because you are it. You speak until you become it.